Hello and good day to everyone. This is Mo again. Another fiber day. That's a beautiful kitty there. Alright, so I did not want to film all this trench, but eventually trench the cable. Show you the box that we have on the other side, which is all the way down there. That's the node. So that's where we have the splits. So today we have installed fiber and a managed Wi-Fi for a client. So we started this site, I believe, 4 years ago. Yeah, still add-ons. So let me open this one. I thought it was opened. How many keys I got? Gosh. Alright. So that's 1 to 8. We put our team together there because the signal was too strong in this place. We just don't want to damage our equipment. So in this box here we have 5 clients, and I'm going to add another one. So yep. So this is the cable we got. This is the one we push it through the PVC pipe right here. So there is 4 counts in here. We're gonna open it. These are cheap cables, but they work. I don't suggest them if you're gonna put a lot of tension or they're gonna be exposed 24 hours to a harsh environment. I don't suggest these, but for me they work. So I know 4 count is a waste, but I think I have 2 more neighbors next to that dude. They don't have it yet, so if they want it, I don't have to run another cable. I can just patch it from there. So yeah. Well, in this one, I think cable goes on the ground. Let me just show you something, and then I'll go ahead and. Well, this mobile home, I think, it's not owned by the park, so I cannot really add nothing to the structure. So I'm gonna put a little wooden pole right here. I borrowed it from her neighbors. I didn't borrow it, I just took it. So he told me anytime I need wood, he got plenty scrap. So yeah. So we're gonna take a hole right there, put that pole, and then once we put that pole, we figure a cheap way. I won't call it cheap. I'll say very economic way to put the Gpons. Whoops. So these are the little tiny boxes that we put the Gpon on them. Let me show you. Did a couple modification to it to fit. That is $3. So it does the trick. I'm not gonna buy a $20 box for a Gpon, especially when it's self-funded. So you gotta always look for something looking good that you can add your touch to it, even if it's not made. This one actually was made for 4 counts. Splice and box. We'll cut out some of the pieces underneath there with the heat gun and just install the Gpon, and it looks perfect. So now we're gonna go make the hole, put the pole, attach this to the pole, cut the fiber through one of these, okay? And we're gonna use that big one for the Ethernet that goes to the customer location, no, customer living room. And we'll adapt the device to the OLT. We'll adapt the managed Wi-Fi to the controller, and then we should see something. Alright, let me go ahead and get that hole done before it gets really hot, and then we'll look at the final result. Man, it's a hot day, but anyway, we got it done. So we did the connection of the box, the main one, and then this is what's in the plant, a little pole, and there's the PVC coming up, the Ethernet cable. So we tested, everything is working, the client has internet. Cable management looks decent for the price of the box, $3. So yep, that's another fiber install. Easy and simple.